Welcome, in front of me is a MAZE Comet, and today I will show you how to insert SIM card and memory card to the phone. So as you can see, I have both of them here, and also have this little SIM eject tool. Usually comes with the phone, somewhere in the box, but you can, if you don't have it, you can always use something like a paper clip. And what you want to do is take that tool or a paper clip, whatever you're using, and on the right side of the phone, you'll have a little, like a cutout where you can see with a tiny little hole. Trying to get it in the light so it's visible. It's like right here. So what you want to do is just put it in there and push it firmly in, and the tray should pop out. So as you can see now, take it out all the way, and while taking it out, flip it towards you from the top. And want to put in SD card basically facing down, and so do the SIM card, like so. And mind you that the cutout for the SIM card, like you have right here, the cutout will go in the bottom left corner, so like this. Not sure if you can see, and holding it right now flat so it doesn't fall out, and to take it and slide it this way in. So I think it's going to be actually easier for me to take the phone in my hand and put it like this. Just slide it all the way in, and let's see, enter a pin for the card. So I'm just going to do that, and that's the code for the screen. And I don't want to update, and as you can see, both SIM card and memory card are working fine. So that is basically how you insert it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.